Hello everyone, Suzuki has revealed the India-built eVitara, the firm's first fully electric car, and the basis for a new Toyota BZ SUV. The front-wheel drive eVitara comes with a choice of 49 kilowatts per hour and 61 kilowatts per hour batteries and 142 horsepower or 172 horsepower motors. An all-wheel drive version of the eVitara increases power output to 181 horsepower with added rear motor. 15 years after the Nissan Leaf made EVs a reality for buyers with real-world budgets, and just as many other automakers are scaling back their own battery vehicle plans, Suzuki has finally unveiled its first electric car. The eVitara is built in India, but will be exported to other markets alongside a Toyota BZ-branded sister car that's yet to debut. Though it wears the Vitara name, the eVitara has very little in common with the automaker's 9-year-old combustion-powered utility. The production version of last year's EVX concept rides on Suzuki's Heart-Ect EV platform and shares the show car's boxy wheel arches, slim grille and the kicked-up window line. At 4,275 mm, 168.3 inches. It's also 100 mm, 3.9 inches longer than the existing Vitara and the 2,700 mm, 106.3 inches wheelbase is 200 mm, 7.9 inches bigger, so it should be much roomier for passengers. Base cars come with a 49 kilowatts per hour battery and 142 horsepower, 106 kilowatts motor driving the front wheels. But upgrading to the bigger 61 kilowatts per hour battery bumps the pony count to 172 horsepower, 128 kilowatts, while maintaining torque at 140 pound-foot, 190 newton-meters. No range figures have been released. Going for the larger battery also unlocks the possibility of all-wheel drive, made possible by adding a 64 horsepower 48 kilowatts motor to the rear axle. The total system output only comes to 181 horsepower, 135 kilowatts, but the 221 pound-foot 300 newton-meters torque peak should make itself felt and help offset a 1,899 kilograms curb weight that's 197 kilograms up on the entry-level two-wheel drive model. The interior looks surprisingly un-budget thanks to the fashionable slab of glass that covers 2/3 of the upper dashboard and combines a digital instrument pack and center touchscreen. Suzuki says the cabin features robust-looking coatings. Let's hope they really are robust and don't just look it, to reflect a high-tech and adventure theme. And to help you in your adventuring quests, Suzuki's All-Grip E-system includes a trail mode that uses the brakes to mimic the operation of a traditional limited slip differential. We'll have to wait to see if the eVitara can outclimb and outcrawl the automaker's Jimny. We don't like its chances. The eVitara enters production at Suzuki Motor Gujarat's plant in India in spring 2025, and sales to Europe, India and Japan start in the summer. The same plant will also build Toyota's version of the SUV, which it has yet to reveal, but was previewed by last year's urban SUV concept. I would like to hear your opinion about new Suzuki eVitara, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel not to miss the latest news from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.